everybody, it's Friday, so you know I'm going to do another food video. Today I'm going to be making some strawberry shortcake. It's real simple. We got dessert shells, we got Cool Whip, we got strawberries, and we might throw a little bit of ice cream in, but we'll see. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I went ahead and I washed off the strawberries, and I'm going to cut them up. Really, that's the only thing I have to prepare. The dessert shells are already, you know, dessert shells, and the Cool Whip, you just scoop it out with a spoon and slap it on top. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up a couple of the strawberries. You want to make sure you remove the tops unless you really want to eat them. I guess if you want to, go ahead, but I would suggest not to. So chop that top off. And cut them not too small, but not too big, because I won't be choking on them, I guess, right? Throw them in the bowl over here. And make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Obviously, wash your hands, then wash the fruit. And maybe wash your hands again. I don't know how much of a germaphobe you are. I figure washing them once should be fine. But then again, if you're washing dirty fruit, it wouldn't make sense to wash your hand again. Alright, that's nice. It's a nice looking strawberry. I don't know where it's at on the camera, because I can't see it, but from my end, it's a nice looking strawberry. Alright, so we went ahead and placed our two angel food cakes on our plates here. And the best way to describe them is like if you've ever had a Twinkie, it's basically, it's like a Twinkie, but there's no filling inside. It's just this little donut type cake thingamajigger. But all we're going to do is put some strawberries in the middle and then put some whipped cream on top, and they'll be ready to go. And those are perfect for after dinner or late night snack or whatever. They're not too unhealthy. I mean, strawberries are good, right? Everybody loves strawberries. It's up to you how much you want to put. I fill it up, might as well, right? That one's all full. Let's try to fill this one up with one scoop. Ready? Almost. There we go. We have a Horton the Who and a Cat in a Hat play. Dr. Seuss will be proud. Alright, so the last step for the nice, easy strawberry shortcake. Cool Whip. I'm just gonna dollop some Cool Whip on top. I don't know what dollop means, but I hear people say it when they say, put a dollop of this on that when they're cooking it or whatever, right? What if I could swirl it and make it look swirly? I'll probably just ruin it. Almost like a cupcake now. I overdid it on the Cool Whip. I don't know. I don't know if you can overdo it, right? We'll go a little bit less on this one, see if you can see more of the strawberry. What's underneath, right? Oh, we lost a strawberry. Let's tuck it back in there. Ooh. There's our strawberry shortcakes. Our after dinner dessert surprise. Alright, well thanks for watching. It's pretty simple. Strawberry shortcakes, dessert cups, strawberries, whipped cream. You can do ice cream in there too and make it, you know, like a dessert sundae type thing. Or get the strawberry glaze. I'm not a big fan of the strawberry glaze. I don't know what the hell it's made out of. I don't think it's made out of strawberries. But alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on Monday. I love it.